Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a string manipulation problem called check if strings can be made equal with operations 1. As always, if you get stuck or confused at any point while watching, just drop a question in the comments below and I'll reply to help you out. Here is the problem page. It looks a little wordy, so let's break down exactly what it's asking us to do. We are given two short strings of text, which we'll call string 1 and string 2, and we want to see if we can make them identical. We have a major advantage here, because the problem guarantees both strings will always be exactly 4 letters long. We are allowed to swap 2 letters in string 1, but only if they are exactly 2 spaces apart. Visually, this means the letter at the very beginning can only ever swap places with the letter in the 3rd spot. And similarly, the second letter can only ever swap places with the very last letter. This reveals a crucial pattern. Letters in even-numbered positions can never move into odd-numbered positions, and vice versa. Just a quick heads up, we'll walk through the logic using Python, but I have the full code for Java, C++, and JavaScript at the very end. Because the string is so incredibly short, our first approach is simply to generate every possible combination. There are literally only 4 possible versions of string 1 that we can ever create using these rules. Here is the simple code to do exactly that. Let's break down how we build those 4 versions. By the way, if you want to test this code out yourself without retyping it, you can grab it from Leetcode unlocked.com via the link in the description. Our first variation, version 1, is just the original string 1, in case no swaps are needed at all. For version 2, we manually rearrange the letters to swap the first and third characters. For version 3, we keep the first and third letters in place, but swap the second and fourth characters. Finally, for version 4, we apply both swaps at the same time. Once we have all 4 possible versions, we just check if our target string 2 matches any of them, and we are done. Now, generating combinations works great for 4 letters, but what if the string was much longer? A more scalable approach is to just verify if both strings have the exact same pool of letters available for their even and odd spots. If we extract all the letters at the even positions, sort them alphabetically, and compare them, they must match perfectly. Here is the code for that second approach, where we just sort the letter pairs and compare them directly. You might wonder about edge cases, like if the strings are already identical from the start. Our first approach handles this perfectly, because version 1 is just the unmodified string, so it will match immediately. Because the string length never changes and is always exactly 4, the time complexity is strictly constant, or big O of 1. The space complexity is also constant, big O of 1. Since we only ever store a handful of tiny 4-letter variations. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly mention that you can probably tell this channel is narrated by AI, which I built to instantly explain daily problems to help myself study, and I share them here completely ad-free. I've recently changed the format of these videos to be faster and punchier, so please leave a comment letting me know if you like this new style, and don't forget to ask any lingering questions you might have about the problem. Here are the key takeaways from this problem. Small, fixed inputs are perfect for simple simulation, and specific distance gaps between items usually mean you should group them by evens and odds. Alright, as promised, here are the full solutions for the other languages, which you can easily copy and paste from the website link in the description. Here is the full, clean solution written out for Java. Next up, we have the exact same logical approach written for C++. And finally, here is the working solution for JavaScript. If you found this helpful, I also have a main channel called Leetcode Unlocked where I am slowly working my way through every single problem on the platform. If you want to support that massive goal, you can toss me a donation at buymeaboba.com/LeetCodeDaily. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's daily problem.